Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where your iPhone just keeps asking you for your password for your iCloud account anytime you try to download any application through the App Store. Now, whether they're paid or free, there's a way to kind of go through this. Now, if it's paid, you will have to pretty much type in your password almost every single time. But with the free apps, there's an extremely easy way to do this. What you want to do is you want to make your way over to your settings application just like this. And then at this point, you'll see up top your name up here. You want to go and click on your name. And then what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you see media and purchases. So what you want to do then is you want to go ahead and click on media and purchases, and then you want to click on password settings, which is right here. So go ahead and tap on password settings, and then you'll come into this page. And then what you want to do is when purchasing, you can go ahead and change these if you want to. You can do always require password, require after 15 minutes. That's not the big thing here. Right under free downloads, where it says require password, this may actually be toggled on for you. So on a lot of brand new iPhones that come out, especially for the iPhone 13s, any iPhones that come out, this may be toggled on automatically. So if you haven't restored from a backup from an iPhone, if it's the first time you're using an iPhone, you want to make sure this is toggled off like this. When that is, you will pretty much not be prompted to type in the password anymore. You may be prompted to type in the password one more time, and then you will get that prompt, and then you'll be able to download. So if I go over here, click Fruit Ninja, and I go and click Get, I'm surprised I already don't have Fruit Ninja here. Oh, it's Fruit Ninja 2. So watch, if I click Install, it'll automatically install it. This is another application. I haven't never downloaded this one before, unlike Candy Crush Sega, which if I download, it'll automatically down for me. So that's pretty much it. That's how to do it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.